public speaking is a very important skill, especially as you grow older and you become, uh, as you start thinking about careers that you want to pursue. So every career, whether it's, being a doctor to being a lawyer, or being a teacher, these all require public speaking skills. And so I was given many opportunities in high school and university to practice these public speaking skills. So I did go to the United Nations and I did some public speaking there. Um, I did some public speaking in various public forums across my community, but I think my skills in public speaking really started from a younger age when I was given the opportunity to join extracurricular activities like Model United Nations or mock trial, or I was given the chance to speak at a high school assembly, speak to my own classmates and peers. And I would encourage you to take these opportunities to practice your public speaking skills, because even now, even now when I do public speaking, it's something that makes me a bit nervous. It's very natural. It's very normal actually to feel nervous when you're speaking in front of a large crowd of people. That feeling never really goes away. You're always, it always feels a little natural to be nervous when you're speaking in front of, dozens or even, hundreds of people. But I would just encourage you to find as many opportunities as you can, even if it's small opportunities, to get to speak to your classmates, to speak to people you trust or know, to speak to strangers. Find these opportunities in extracurricular activities, and public speaking is a very important skill that will serve you well in whatever career that you choose to pursue.